Recipe. Today is your exam day. Test day.
I wear
Ayusin
this.
mo,
I
ah.
wanna wear this. It's PE.
Ayusin mo yung test mo na.
Apa?
Galingan mo, huwag kang magmadali.
Yes.
Di baling late ka, basta makuha mo, okay? Mag-pray ka lang kay God, no?
Do it, my love.
You can do it. Ngayon ito gawin mo, kapag natapos mo na yung answer,
Pagkatapos mo yung answer,
i-review mo ulit.
is it review ulit?
Check
Opo.
mo kung baka meron
Check
kang
mo
na-skip.
ulit. Oo.
May na-skip, tsaka kung tama lahat ng answers. Okay?
Okay, bago mo i-pass yung test paper. Nag-review ka maayos?
Aram, sam, aram.
Na? Nag-review ka maayos?
Yes. Ano kasi kapag at, anong katabi ng at? Numbers. Yung on,
Road,
what else?
street,
Yes, what else? Aven and volley. Volleybars. Okay.
volleyball,
Volleyball. How about has? When you use has, how many person do you talk to? One or one name. And then what else? With what pronouns? He, she, and
he,
it. Okay, it. He has, she has, it has. ZP has.
ha?
The dog has. Just one,
Pag
okay?
plural,
Kapag many, you're gonna use
Have,
have. Okay, like daddy and mommy have a beautiful girl.
who's that girl?
Yeah, okay? And then,
Beautiful baby.
when you're talking to yourself, I and you're
I
gonna use
and
have.
you,
Okay?
you are I and you.
Tapos we and they, the pronouns we and they. Okay? Addition tayo. 8 plus 5.
8 plus 5. 8 in my head, 5 in my hand. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yes,
Yeah.
good job.
250 times plus 312.
Oh no. How about 7 plus 7? 7 plus 7.
7 in my head, 7 in my hand. 7, 8,
Wait, again.
Ay,
7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Very good. Oh, don't forget that you start here. 7.
And my head
then,
in my...
yes, and then you
Yung mas malaki
your-
number, no?
with your hand na nun. Ha?
Traffic.
Oo, laging traffic naman dyan sa school. 8 plus 4.
8 plus 4 daw.
8 plus 4.
8 in my head.
And 4 in my feet.
Ew, so stinks.
Okay.
8 in my...
8
What
plus
time gonna
4.
start?
4. Okay.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job. 12. Okay. Basta wag mong madali. It's okay kahit mabagal kang mag-count. It's okay.
Pagpabayaan ko na sa Brayden, madali lang sunod-sunod.
Oo, okay lang sila. Don't mind them.
I don't mind them.
Okay.
Mind their own business.
Yes, you mind your own work. Okay.
Tasabog! Boom!
If you are taking so long, that's fine. Mommy's just there outside. I'll be waiting for you. Okay?
Iiyak ako.
That's no problem kahit matagal kang sama.
Scared.
Don't be scared. Kaya-kaya mo yan, Day.
Nakatagin.
It's moving. Paano kapag nagano na sana?
Oo nga.
Wala, dali tayo dito. Ano ba yan?
Ang traffic eh.
Dali kang
Where's Ziki? Where's your brother, huh?
Mamaya ba?
Gusto nito, no?
Ay, copy. I like cars. I like cars. I don't want cars. Basta yung parang bago. Ako penguin! Ako penguin!
Pag ninenervyos ka, intong water. Pag feeling mo your heart is pumping, just drink water, take a deep breath, and then, okay? Don't forget to pray, ha? You pray that God will give you wisdom.
Yes, ma'am.
And remember all our reviews. Just do your best, baby, okay?
Hindi na mo tatapos.
Basta huwag ka magmadali.
Oo, tingnan mo si
Okay.
si yung classmate mo, kahit matagal siya, he's fine.
Pero mga 2 hours lang siya ngayon.
Bawal ka kasi.
Language and math lang naman.
Ilan yung test nyo?
Dalawa na.
Dalawa. Tapos bukas dalawa ulit.
Yes.
Exam ulit?
Yes. Tomorrow is science and makabansa.
Tapos bukas exam.
Si Queen Ethan umuwi na yan, no?
Oo, Saturday wala nang exam.
Umuwi na si Queen
Si
Ethan.
Limo.
Ne, yun
Ha?
yung ganyan.
Wah.
Ay, kuya. Naka-jacket pa sa riba kung di ako.
Kaklase mo yun?
Yeah, si Limo.
Ngayon?
Oo, tapos they're gonna stay then. Yung lolo na yung kahapon.
Oh, hindi kayo late.
We're late. Ay, oo, 11:59. 1 minute.
1 minute. Hindi, mag-gather pa yan.
Hindi,
Okay,
hindi.
bye-bye
Nasa
ZP.
room na sila.
Kiss mo na sa daddy.
Bye.
Kiss mo sorry. See you later. Love you. Okay.
Joke lang.
Okay.
Palagyan ng sauce. Wait lang.
Gutom kayong dalawa, no?
Mama! Spoon!
Spoon. We got a spoon there.
Ay.
Nagsawa na din siguro kayo sa trabaho. Pagod na pagod.
Hello, girl. This is Zippy and this is Dicky. They are both hungry. What are you eating? You like that boy?
What's that, boy?
Pancit.